Hi, I'm Kelly, and this is the owner's class for the Singer Start 1304 sewing machine. We're going to go through a couple of the basic things about your machine, like how to get it threaded, how to select a stitch, how to wind your bobbin, and also how to make a buttonhole, plus much more. In the box are two great resources for you. You have your instruction manual with all kinds of information about your machine, and then you also have your quick start guide, which will help you get your machine threaded quickly. Now let's take a quick tour of your machine. Let's take a closer look at your machine. To the right of your machine is the port for your foot control and your power cord. So we can plug that in and press our power switch. Above your power switch is your hand wheel. You always want to turn the hand wheel towards you or counterclockwise. This is used to manually raise and lower your take-up lever and your needle. On top of your machine is your bobbin winding spindle, which we'll talk about a little bit later. There's a thread guide, two spool pins. This is your carrying handle. This is your bobbin winding tension disc and a thread guide. In the front of your machine is your reverse lever. This is your stitch selector dial. Let's look at the stitches that come on your machine. You have three different straight stitches, short, medium, and long. You also have three different zigzag stitches, narrow, medium, and wide. This is your multi-stitch zigzag, and this is our blind hem stitch. This is a really nice decorative scallop stitch. And finally, you have a four-step buttonhole, which we'll do a little bit later. This is your presser foot, and to the back of your machine is your presser foot lifter. So we can raise and lower our presser foot. Think of it this way, whenever you're not sewing or whenever you're threading your machine, you always want to keep your presser foot up or in park. Whenever we go to sew, we want to lower our presser foot and then we can drive or we can start sewing. In the front of your machine is your removable storage compartment. This is a hinged door that reveals your bobbin holder. It also shows you your bobbin case. We'll wind a bobbin in a moment. When you open your removable storage compartment, you'll see all the different accessories that come with your machine, like some extra needles, some extra bobbins, and some feet. So let's look at the feet that come with your machine. The zipper foot is used for sewing zippers into your projects. This is the buttonhole foot. Use this foot along with the stitch selector dial to sew a buttonhole in just 4 easy steps. Hi, I'm Kelly, and this is the owner's class for the Singer Start 1304 sewing machine. We're going to go through a couple of the basic things about your machine, like how to get it threaded,